one day tour. Tapos Lubing of Cave, Burgess from Manila. See you there. We're in the bus. So we're leaving now 7:20, going to Calbiga. Calbiga, in a few minutes we're gonna stop at Rocheletri. My guest is already there waiting. So gonna register there before going to Lubing Cave. So we're now at Rocheletri. Para. Okay. Rocheletri, still waiting for my guest. Still coming. Staying here in Calbiga. In Lola Rosa hotel here in Calbiga. So still coming. See you. Okay, so signing up our farm, ready to the cave. Motorbike, to motorbike. Okay, slippery there the road, so we cannot go with the motorbike, dangerous. Kaya dito lang tayo. Lalakad na tayo dito.
Okay.
Antayin na lang natin yung ating mga tour guide. We're hiking here. Going now to Lubing of Cave. So we have guests from Manila. So they're already there. We're now in the trail, ready for jungle hiking. Yeah. Kita mo na yung cave. Yung viewing deck overlooking na Lubing of entrance. Okay, that's the cave. We enter Lubing of, we go out in Langon Cave. Okay, see you there. Another 10 minutes walk going to the main entrance. So 10 minutes more hiking, and we have an orientation there. We're here now, the main entrance, Lubing of Cave. Yeah, and have an orientation here. Yeah, very big. Opening. It's raining now. Dahil madilim, nagiging blind na sila. Kaya meron mga blind fish, blind crab. So yun ang mga naninirahan sa total darkness. Tapos aside from that, may mga animals naman na parang visitors lang sila na pumapasok, lumalabas yung mga snake, yung mga ibang mga kwan, yung mga bats. So dyan lang sila sa mga entrance, lumalabas din sila during the night. So yun. So through that experience niya na na-amaze siya sa loob ng cave, parang nagusto na niyang pumasok ng kuweba. So every time na umaakyat siya sa bundok, naghanap na siya ng kuweba. Tapos hindi man lahat ng pagpasok niya na parang tumitingin lang siya, ni-study niya yung cave. Tapos minamapa na niya. So parang dino-document talaga niya. Kaya through sa study niya, marami nagka-interest ng mga tao. So marami na sumama sa kanya. So minsan, kasi yung cave, may mga parang ganito, mag-explore na siya mag-isa. Kasi
Okay.
nakakit na siya, tatawag niya yung tao niya, silahan niyo na ako.
Kailangan hindi umalis yung tao niya doon.
Oo, dapat nandun lang sa kuwan sa taas, nag-aantay. So, balik na siya, ganun. Kasi wala pa naman mga equipment during that time. So yun, through the years, so marami nagka-interest na, nagkaroon ng club din, parang sa mountaineering din ba, na nag-gusto nila umakyat ng bundok, tapos nagkaroon sila parang club. So sa caving, meron din parang community ng mga cavers, na parang club din sila. So yun, hanggang nag-spread out all over Europe, hanggang all over the world. Kasi yung iba, hindi man totally study lang, marami naman yung kanyang caving. Pero yung iba din noon, talagang study lang siya, so scientific, regarding hydrology, kasi minsan naghanap tayo ng water source. So yung mga water source natin, ang loob ng cave. So minsan yung ibang hindi na
Local reason. Pinagbawal lang. Kaya yung huling big cave ko, nabitin ako. Sabi ko, bilis, asan na yung ano? Yung bawang na daw. Sabi dun sa mga bago. Sorry guys, yung kinikwento ko, hindi niya na na-explicit.
kasi yun nga, dahil yung iba na contaminated siya, kaya masisira yun yung kanyang water source, yun ang na pinapat niya ng baso. Kasi iba wala namang knowledge ba, sabi na butas lang ito, tapon tayo dito, then later on yung pala yung source ng water nila.
Oo.
Yung ganun nga.
Tapos kung hindi na.
Kaya ganun. So yun, bali yung mga European natin, yung tawag sa kanila pag nag-study magkakamali pa rin. Kasi di mo naman masansa doon sa minsan baka mag-melty yung pan, kaya maputol yung line mo, kaya maraming mga dahilan, kaya mag-failure yung equipment mo. Kaya yun ang delikado. So yung mga privileges natin, they go abroad. Parang turista lang din sila ba? Yung first, yung pinupunta nila ng mga popular na country yun, Laos, Vietnam, Papua New Guinea, Philippines. Entering now. Time's already 11:21. So we're entering now the cave. Entering again. My second home. Yeah, this is a one-day caving traverse going up to Langon. Yeah, nice. Beautiful. Going into the darkness. Yeah. Ano? Ha? O yan, daan mo. Yan ang daan lang. We're gonna kiss the wall. Enter the cave. That. Yeah. Charge the battery. Ito yan, kikiss ka dyan.
Dito?
Ito.
Dito?
Ito na wall. Yan, sa taas. Dito ka magkikiss ito. Yan.
Baga naman.
Kikiss. Parang show of respect. Oh, yan. Para yung mga first time nagkikiss dito. Para hindi tayo kanin ng mga maligno. Di ba? Mga ganun. Entering the big chamber now here. Ito mo. Yeah.
Ganda ng bag. Angat na angat yung. Angat na angat yung dalawa.
Yeah, the dripping of the water for thousands of years will be like that. Yeah, big stalagmite. You're here now on the stage. Yeah, stage. Okay. So we go now to the diamond over there. May mga diamond here. Yeah, there. Yeah, shine like diamonds. Shine like diamond.
Oh, damn. Ganda. Tignan ha.
Videos.
Uy. Kulit ko. Baka.
Malaki ito. Yeah, videos. Very nice. Okay, going out to the football chamber. Natural pool here in the football field. And giant chandelier. Okay. Campsite. Gubing of campsite. Here. There's water also here.
Uy, ang linaw.
Here on the football field. Bye-bye football field. Going now to the vertical area. Ready?
Yep.
Okay. Back to the way. Back to the stage. Mountain climbing. Oh, doon sa dulo, nandun yung vertical. Sige, follow lang sa kanila. So we're here na the vertical area. So we're gonna go down and hop. We're gonna put on the harness. 15-meter drop. Vertical now. Oh, okay. Okay, gonna put on the harness here. Good, ready. My guide is there. Everything. Vertical area now. Going to Langon. Okay, go. Slowly. Follow our guide. Okay, still going down. Welcome to Langon Cave. So we're here in the forest of stalagmites now. Isang buwan. Oh, 1 month. Forest of stalagmite. Tita chamber. Going na to Tita chamber. Giant chandelier. Giant chandelier. Yeah, giant chandelier. We're reaching the floor of the cave. Tumuksok na siya sa lupa, yung chandelier.
Lupit.
Laki.
Galing.
Oh, chandelier. Okay. Okay. Giant chandelier reaching the floor of the cave. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah. Now another river crossing there. Okay. Baba. Ah. Dalawa. Ito lang. Last. Ah. Sige. Kulang. Follow lang. Mud trekking. Laro na dito.
Pwede.
Chocolate trekking.
Facial na.
Ayan. Oh. Yeah. Going out to the mother ball chamber. Finally, we see the light there. Yeah, there's a light. We're now in Langon mother ball chamber. Big chamber here. Yeah, there. So big chamber, mother ball chamber. Even 3 helicopter can fly here side by side, no problem. So we still walk further. Mother ball chamber. Even airplane can go inside here. Oh, we see a big snake. Ta-da! Yeah. Oh, we're lucky. We see the big snake. Yeah. Nice. Snake in the wild. Oh. Yeah, beautiful. Mga insect. Oh. Yan. Mga bugs. And cockroaches. Cricket. Kasi maraming food dito kaya nandito sila. Oh. Sige, okay, para magpasok. Okay. Follow them. Magaan lang yata sila. Baka one rice lang sila. Tayo kasi unlimited. Kaya madali lumubog. We're na Langon. Time na already 2:09. So we're gonna have our lunch somewhere there in our campsite. So we're gonna have our lunch there. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna rest. Lunch. Okay. Already the exit there. So we're gonna out later. We're now in our campsite. Time for eating our lunch. Gonna reheat our food. Yeah. Okay, reheating our food. Vegetable, chicken, rice. Ready for lunch. We'll eat our lunch around 2:21. Okay, ready na sir. Lunch time. Sige. Ito yung rice, yung chicken, at saka vegetable. Oh, sige, get your na lang. Get yourself. Self-service.
Self-service.
Kasi mamaya magma-mountain climbing na tayo. Tapos na tayo sa caving, may mountain climbing pa. All around na yung ating adventure. Di pala tapos. This is our lunch. So we're gonna leave around 2:45. So we're gonna go out now. Going to Mapaso. So we just done our caving. So now go now mountain climbing. Yeah. Okay. Ready now. Get out. Yeah. Ready for mountain climbing. Thank you, Langon Cave. See you next time. Okay, leaving now, Langon Cave. Bye bye, Langon Cave. We're gonna go out here. 3 hours of hiking. But maybe we can do it for 2 hours something. 2 hours and a half to Mapaso. Out na. Bye bye, Langon Cave. Okay, resume climbing. Mountain climbing again. Excuse. Mountain climbing. Downhill na going to Mapaso. Mapaso, only downhill we arrive Mapaso. Gonna wash up there. We're looking now Calbiga. Can see now Calbiga. So we go now to the Mapaso Spring somewhere there. Finally, Calbiga. Go now to Rochelle. After taking a bath at Mapaso Spring. Station. Sa tulay na tayo. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Road na. Highway na.
Okay.
Hindi na pa ka mo? Abot pala? Ano yan? Kampa kami himsaw. We're now in the spring. We're gonna wash up now. Washing time. Yeah. washing our bag. Ano ba ito? Oh, shoes. Clean lang. Yeah, we're in Mapaso. After here, we're gonna go now to Roche Literis. Gonna ride a motorbike. Na motorbike. Sige. Bira. Sige, naik. Okay, ngayon na to Rochelle. Okay.
Ayaw na nala, para ba't nga ako? Ayaw na unaran ni may
Okay, it's my ride. Chill. Time to eat now. Chill. Kita dito ang baga na akong bagang t-shirt na may da ako kwan.
Ay, sir.
Ang bag, di nga nila dito kan. Usa na bag. Bili nga la.
At dito. Tulad.
The Roche Literis with the native chicken tinola. Your chicken tinola. Very yummy. Specialty in Calviga. Yeah. Bawi na ngayon, bawi. Bawi from hiking. With fried rice.
Ate lang lang ako no.
Tulo.
Matulo. Matulo lang.
Yummy chicken. Ito chicken. Batman. Oh, yan. Okay. So, welcome. Thank you for coming. So, yeah, enjoy in Biliran for your hiking and canyoning. Okay. Back to Catbalogan. My guest will stay here in Calviga and going tomorrow to Biliran. Thank you, sir, for coming. Yeah, next time again.
Yes.
Definitely. Okay. Going now to Lola Rosa. So may waiting for a van or a bus back to Catbalogan. So the time is already 6:43. So waiting for the bus or van. And so there, we're waiting there. Catbalogan. Yeah, just finished.
It's too dark, you
shaving.
know. At least leave that light open.
No, you can see me here. Yeah, gonna fun with mommy. So nice caving with Sir Iboy. Iboy from Manila. Thank you for coming caving in Samar. So time to fix my things. So bye bye. See you for the next caving in Samar.